The difference between Hasidic Judaism and Haredi Judaism is that Haredi is an umbrella term under which Hasidic Judaism is a subsect. Haredi means ultra-Orthodox Jews. Some people find the term ultra-Orthodox offensive, and so nowadays we hear the term Haredi more often. There are many kinds of ultra-Orthodox Jews. There are, let's say, Yeshivish or Litvish ultra-Orthodox Jews. Yeshivish is a kind of ultra-Orthodox Jewry that focused a lot on studying the texts in the yeshiva, and so it's called Yeshivish. It might also be called Litvish, which comes from the word Lithuania because the movement was strong there. There are also, let's say, Sephardi ultra-Orthodox Jews. These are Jews from North Africa, the Middle East, and other regions who are called Sephardi, which means Spain, because they are descendants of Jews expelled from Spain during the Spanish Inquisition. There are tons of types of Jews all over the world, and Hasidic Jewry is just one kind of ultra-Orthodox Jews. Hasidic Judaism began in Ukraine in the 18th century with a man named the Baal Shem Tov, and it centered worship around a male spiritual leader called a Rebbe. Every Rebbe had his own group or sect, and every sect was named after the place where it began. Today, there are many Hasidic groups that have settled outside of the original region since the Holocaust and have rebuilt. And probably the largest group is the Satmar group, which is the group that I come from and that originates on the border of Hungary and Romania. Probably the most well-known group is the Chabad Lubavitch group, which originates in Lubavitch, but has named itself Chabad. And so these two words mean the same thing. And Chabad Lubavitch is very well known because they do outreach to other Jews, and they are all over the world. There are many kinds of groups with many different flavors, and there are many kinds of ultra-Orthodox Jews or Haredi Jews, but not all Haredi Jews are Hasidic, but all Hasidic Jews are Haredi.